My name is Terri, and I chose Dr. Crofts because I had a friend who had been to him and really, really liked the work he had done, and she referred him to me. My consultation with Dr. Crofts was great. He was very upfront about the things he could do. I had lost 150 pounds with gastric bypass surgery, and so I had a lot of loose skin. And so I had a lot of different areas that I needed to address, and he was great at letting me know what he could do and the timeline in which he could do them safely and effectively, told me what I could expect, and everything that happened exceeded all of my expectations. My experiences working with Dr. Crofts and his team have also been beyond my expectations. They've always been very caring, very concerned. I did have one procedure where I had a little bit of an opening and a little bit of stuff they had to address, and Dr. Crofts and his nurse came in several times after hours to take care of that for me, because I was getting a procedure like a few weeks later and they wanted to make sure it healed up and that it was okay, and they just showed a lot of care and concern and professionalism in the way they handled it. I would tell anybody considering plastic surgery, if it's something that you can afford to do and something that you need to do that would make you feel better, you definitely should do it. Especially in my case where I had lost a lot of weight and had excess skin. To have that skin removal, I think, has aided me in being able to maintain my weight loss and just give me confidence and make me just feel a lot better about life. When I had my procedures, I did receive spa benefits with each procedure. It varied during the procedures, but I got massages, I got some Botox, just different spa services. I would highly, highly recommend Dr. Crofts to friends and family. In fact, I have had my daughter come and have a procedure with Dr. Crofts, and probably 3 or 4 of my friends have come, and they've all been very happy with the work. So after I had all my skin removal and procedures done on my body, all of them, like 4, I did want to get a facelift because I had a lot of lines and wrinkling and sagging in my face. And nothing against Dr. Crofts at all, because I loved everything he did for me, but I did tell his nurse, I'm thinking about going someplace where they just specialize in face. And she said, I understand that, but I've really been really impressed with his facelifts. He does a really good job. And so I did go ahead and have him do my facelift, and it's fabulous. And he does just as great a job on the face as he does on the body. As I said earlier, when I lost all my weight, I had a lot of loose skin. So having the weight loss surgery took care of all of those issues. Being able to go out in a swimming suit, it made 100% difference to be able to take care of that loose skin. Having the procedures that Dr. Crofts did for me with my skin removal and the different procedures that I have, as I mentioned earlier, I think it's aided me in being able to maintain my weight loss. It's given me confidence. It's just made me feel better about myself, and it's awesome. You should do it.